What's going on, guys? We're back in the Miata.
Oh my goodness. Did you hear that?
Today we're going to be doing a roll bar install, so I'm going to head over to my friend P's house.
Oh, hell no. All right, so I don't know what's going on with my microphone in this clip, so let me give you the quick rundown. We're going to my friend P's house today, and we're going to install the roll bar. I took this roll bar off of that crappy Miata that I bought for $550. So we took the roll bar off, and we're putting it on my car now.
That thing sounds so good, man. So cool. All right, so we have this roll bar here. So P was just telling me when you put this in, glues basically like this thing here. You can see on the other side it's like capped. So you lose like these nice little cosmetic panels. So you lose basically this thing here, this thing on the outside, and this thing on the inside. And that's pretty much it. It should be able to be ran with this soft top because you got the plastic window, not the glass. So we're going to start with the install. You can see here this guy deleted the sunroof or the sun risers. So, and this is the OEM shift knob. I put it back here because I don't know, I guess I was kind of using it as storage. So I mean, these little things, they don't fucking do anything either. So that's why I don't mind having that off. All right, so what's like the basis of this? Did we just
Oh, so take all the interior panels off.
Okay.
We're gonna put this in so I can mark the hose. We're gonna drill out the hose and bolt. That's about it. But I have to remove the wheels because we have to be able to reach it.
Oh, okay. Got you. Basically, all of this shit comes out, and then we bolt the bar in. So should be fun. So everything's out on this side, and we'll pull the interior panel or the interior carpets. Look, you can see there's like rust chips from the parcel panel in here. Yeah, it'll be real fun taking this off again. Seeing that nice hole. Don't get me wrong, I'm okay with no carpet. But if you can have it there, I'd rather have it there.
Use what we can.
Yeah. All right. So put the top up to reach.
And you know, I have a tool for this, and I just.
Oh, the interior panel tool.
Yeah.
I mean, that seems to work. It's doing better than what I would do. I break most of those. You okay?
Yeah. Maybe we can just take the whole panel with the rubber shit off.
Okay. I mean, it looks terrible, man.
Yeah, that's another thing. We don't want that dust.
No. All right, let's see the damage in here. It's so bad. Oh, is this whole thing 2 panels?
No, it should be one.
Oh, okay.
It should be one.
Oh, damn. So I guess I bought the big. I was wondering why it was so big because I thought it was just.
But it's US Pacific. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks so bad. Oh my god. You want some gloves?
No. I got my hepatitis shot already.
Alright, check out the damage. Oh my god. Oh man. It's so dusty. Oh boy. This is so bad.
These are where the fight is.
Oh, the bolts. Oh my god. This one's shot.
We might have to bring out the gill grinder and just grind.
Oh boy.
Out of all these.
Nice, comes right out. Look at that. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Oh
Good
boy.
thing you don't ever have to do anything with your fuel pump.
Yeah, this would have sucked.
Oh.
You good? Oh my god.
We only take the bolts off. Just comes apart.
Oh my god. Wow, that's something. Look at that. It's
But
so bad.
everything under is good.
Yeah, that's all I care about.
The one bolt that wasn't rusty.
Wow. Can't even see the other everything.
See what?
Not bad.
I'm about to buy the lottery today. Feeling lucky. Play where luck ends. Yep.
That one's fucked.
There we go. And that's nothing. What's the phrase? This makes for good TV? Something like that?
Good content.
People don't care about all the nice stuff. They just want to see all the shit that's wrong with the car. Yeah, weight reduction, bro.
Woo! Just lost like 2 pounds.
I don't know, use the vacuum.
Thanks. Oh my god, this is so bad. Well, at least it's gone. It's dead and gone.
Honestly, man, I think vacuuming up the rust is the most time-consuming part.
Oh, there's the aftermath. Alright, so now we have to cut the these like old rusty bolts off, and then we can start fitting the roll bar in to start cutting or drilling where the holes are gonna, cutting and drilling where the holes are gonna go for the bolts, so we can just bolt it in. So now we're sanding down the rust. And then we'll spray it so we don't have to worry about it. Alright, time to spray this nasty shit. Gotta cover this off top, you know.
Nothing like the fresh smell of paint. So yeah, he's gonna cut, and I'll let you guys know when we're done. Should be only a few minutes, and then we'll throw in the roll bar. So yeah, I'm hyped.
All right, so that's done. That side's done. Time to drill some holes and bolt this shit in.
So we took out about 5 pounds worth of metal.
Yeah.
We're adding about 30.
Hell yeah. Look at this fitment. Hell yeah. So it goes right up over the bar. So we just have to start drilling into these holes now. So it sits on this part, which is the frame of the car, and in the back part on this ledge here as well. Back here, also part of the frame. Alright, so the initial bolt that you want to bolt in first is this one right here. And it comes with the car basically. So when you bolt this in, you have to use your fingers because there's no wrench that can fit in this little gap. So you have to try to tighten it with your fingers first, and then with a wrench if you can fit. there's 1, 2, 3, and then I think 2 back there, right? 2 back there?
Oh, 3, but
Oh, okay.
we'll see if I can get to the dough.
All
I
right.
think the dough.
It's finally hitting me that this is gonna have a roll bar now, and it won't look so naked. So I'm getting really excited.
Dude, this dragonfly has been on my antenna the entire day. Entire day. Oh, and then he comes back. Look at that. Entire day. Alright, so we got these like seatbelts in now. So just gonna bolt these in, and this one's already bolted in here on the side. So now we got to do these 3. You can see it lined up pretty good, pretty flush. So we got these 3 right here, and then another 3 in the back. We can actually use all 3 too.
So they're not necessarily like fitment issues, but you do have to do like some nice little modification. So maybe not directly plug and play, but pretty close.
Alright, so we got the roll bar in. Woohoo! Everything's bolted up.
Wait, did I put the wheel back in?
No. We got 3 here, and we used all 3 in the back. And then the most important part, seatbelt so we can be safe. Alright guys, so we are almost done. We're basically just putting all the interior bits back on and putting the carpet. Got this one in here, it's going to go over that so it won't look so race car-y. And yeah, it's pretty much done. Perfect fitment with the soft top. All said and done. It'll bolt right in, latch right up. Very nice. She's looking a little wrinkled now, but that's okay.
So he's actually gonna cut the rusted panel and just use the good part. So, yeah, so I will purchase the panel that I found on eBay. I found one for 50 bucks. And then I found the smaller panel that goes over the fuel stuff for $35, which I already bought. So once I have those panels again, we'll cut the big panel to kind of fit around the roll bar, and we'll put both of those in another video. And she's in, man. It's slowly but surely becoming this track car, which wasn't initially the plan, but fuck it. It's a fun street car that you can take to the track.
Had to modify the carpet on the corners a little bit here, but got everything back in. Looks pretty much like OEM again. It's great. What's your Instagram?
Sweatshop Automotive.
Cool. It's on the back of that car as well, and I'm gonna put it here. I think this is by far like the hands down like best. I don't even know what you want to call yourself, but tech
Hey, I don't even know what
technician, like all around mechanic. I don't know. Best guy in the business. Who's not actually in the business.
All right, guys, we have the roll bar on. I cannot believe this. Check this thing out. Now it looks like a real Miata.
Now it looks good. Hell yeah, dude. Again, huge shout out to my friend Fung. Please follow him. I'm gonna put it right here. He does great work, and he has interesting stuff like this Miata death card here. But there we go, man. She's on Advanti Storm S1 wheels, Federal Formosa tires, and a roll bar is installed. We have a Voodoo shift knob as well. So those are nice little 4 mods right there. I'm gonna show you guys what this thing looks like in the daylight, because it's almost like 6:30 now, so it's getting a little bit dark. But cue the cinematics. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this Miata series and just filming again. I haven't filmed anything in a little while. I'm filming all of this within like a couple of days to a couple of weeks. Like, I love this thing, man. This is a real passion of mine, just building cars and YouTube and sharing it with people. Absolutely, I love it, man. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and turn notifications on so you never miss a cool upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I post a little bit of behind the scenes here. And yeah, see you guys next video. Don't forget to keep living life at max speed. Peace.